Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to move tokens to Optimism from the Ethereum mainnet. So Optimism is a layer 2 solution for Ethereum that allows for significantly faster transactions and much lower fees. It is important to note that you have to bridge assets between Optimism and Ethereum, which can take around 20 minutes for moving to Optimism and a week moving back to Ethereum. Although there will be some services you can use in the future to speed up the redemption for at least fungible assets. Now the first step here is going to be to add the Optimism network to MetaMask. You add it kind of similar to any other network like Polygon-matic. I would actually want to show a shortcut for adding it in like that. So I'm going to go over to Chain ID link specifically for Optimism. And I'll put this link in the description below. And it basically shows all the things that would get added if you were to type in these specifications manually, adding in that network. But we can just go to connect here, and then we're going to hit approve, allow it to switch network. See, now we have optimistic Ethereum up here, and it's now in our list of available networks to switch between. So now I'm going to go over to the Optimism gateway and connect. I'm going to use MetaMask, but there are a few wallets you have available. So we're going to deposit. Obviously, if we're depositing, we're going to start off with Ethereum because that's where we're sending the assets from. So now I'm just going to switch back to Ethereum. Now I'm going to deposit small amount of Ethereum. So we're going from Ethereum mainnet, so that's what mainnet means here, to optimistic Ethereum. And you'll see I don't have any balance there now, and I'm transferring Ethereum there. So I'm going to hit deposit. Deposit that. Okay, we're going to confirm that transaction. Now, deposit transaction can take a while, so I'm just going to wait for that to go through. Alright, so now the deposit has completed. So overall, that took only around 5 minutes. So they set a range around 5 to 20 minutes. So in this case, I got the low edge of that transaction. So now we have the Ethereum moved onto optimistic Ethereum, switch over, switch network, and now I see that I have 0.01 ETH bridged over to optimistic Ethereum. So that's all for now. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.